Hello everyone, my name is Vipin Kumar Yadav and I'm a data scientist with 7 plus year of experience. So today we will understand what is machine learning. So this is very famous nowadays. People are talking about machine learning, artificial intelligence, chat GPT, natural language processing like terms. So today we will first understand what is machine learning and then slowly we will see how we can use this machine learning to solve day-to-day problems. Okay, so to start with that, let's first understand the definition of machine learning. So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on developing algorithms and statistical models that enable computer to perform tasks without being explicitly programmed to do so. In traditional programming, human write code to instruct a computer on how to perform a specific task. However, in machine learning, instead of providing explicit instruction, computer learn from data. So that is the definition, but we will take one example, and from that example, we will get the idea about machine learning. So we all use emails, and we all have seen email classification. Whenever we receive mail from someone who is not uh, very legitimate, that mail used to go in spam category, and if it is legitimate it used to come in our inbox. So that problem we all have seen. Now let's see how we solve this problem in both approaches. One, when we had programming and we were trying to get a solution with the help of programming approach, and then when we have machine learning, how machine learning will solve the same problem. So in programming, what happens that it like a programmer writes specific rules or condition to classify emails as spam or not spam. For example, if in the mail we have free, money, lottery, or urgent, that kind of subject, and sender email address is suspicious, that is, in the mail we have random alphanumeric character, or if it is a character that is repetitive multiple times, so that kind of suspicious or not general email is there, then it will be classified as spam. Or if an email is from an unknown sender and contains keyword related to work, family, or personal interest, that will also classify as spam. So that means we need to write rules, and based on those rules it will be divided whether it is a spam mail or not spam mail. So that is a programming approach. But when it comes to machine learning approach, instead of writing these programming rules, a machine learning model is trained on a data set of emails labeled as spam or not spam. The model learns from pattern and features from the data and develops its own decision making process. So what we do in this machine learning approach, we will have data where we will have lot of mails, and those mails will be labeled as spam or not spam. Now we will use this data to train a model, and once that model is trained with that existing data, we will do prediction for the newer mail. So when we train the model, this system learns from that data, and it gets the capability to classify the newer mail in spam or not spam. So that's how this machine learning approach works. So that is the basic idea about machine learning and how it works. In next classes, we will understand more details about machine learning and their implementation. And if you have any question, please do comment. Thank you. Thank you for listening.